Nanay Ninita earns a living solely through scrap business. She is already 70 years old and has not received any assistance from the government.
Kusa lang pong bigyan po ako. Wala akong asahan.
If some of our fellow countrymen are asked, they agree that government officials found guilty of selectively choosing aid recipients, especially during times of calamity or disaster, should be punished.
Dapat matanggal sila sa katungkulan kasi hindi sila nagiging tapat sa bayan.
Hindi naman pa pwede na basta na lang bibigyan porket kaibigan mo na hindi naman pala kabarangay nyo, halimbawa. So kung mapapunta na ganyan ang ginagawa ng ibang leader, hindi naman lahat, pwede sigurong bigyan nyo ng parusa or tanggalin sa pwesto.
Kailangan po sana ma-actionan, mabigyan ng pansin yung lahat ng mga ganong klase ng anomalya o halimbawa baka nasa sistema ba.
Currently, there's no existing law that penalizes government officials who selectively distribute aid during calamities. As a result, according to ACT-CIS Party List Representative Erwin Tulfo, House Deputy Majority Leader, complaints related to this issue are not being addressed.
Wala pong specifically na tumukoy pag namili ka ng bibigyan ng ayuda, kulong ka. Wala hong ganun sa anti-graft Specifically, ini-specify na ho natin sa resolution na ito, tulungan mo, it doesn't matter kung supporter mo o hindi, kailangan mo bigyan ng ayuda, especially kung yung ayuda na hawak mo is coming from the national government.
As a result, the lawmaker have introduced a proposed law aimed at imposing perpetual disqualification on government officials who selectively distribute aid to their constituents. Any public official found guilty of selectively and discriminatorily providing cash, livelihood, or relief assistance from local governments may face imprisonment ranging from 6 months to 1 year and perpetual disqualification.
6 months to 12 months imprisonment kapag napatunayan ka, tapos perpetual disqualification from holding any government position, be it elected or talagang sa government agencies. Hindi ka na po pwede for the rest of your life. From barangay kagawad, ma'am, all the way to hanggang congressman siguro, kung mapapatunayan natin, senador siguro kung namimili siya.
Representative Tulfo further emphasized that this directly violates accountability and transparency in government service. Rosa Licoz, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.